Hey there, my amazing audience. Welcome back to Your Vibe is Your Tribe channel. Today, I've got something truly special for you. Remember that video I posted about manifesting my dream life? Well, guess what? I'm back with a little bit more detail and just for you. So buckle up and get ready for some manifestation magic. Now, before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a video. And hey, let's play a little game, right? In the comments below, script 3 things you want to manifest and imagine that they've already happened. Later, when those dreams come true, come back and give this video another thumbs up. And let's make magic happen together. All right, let's get this started. Picture this. I was a broke student working in dive bars in order to survive on a measly couple of $100 a month, living in a tiny studio little apartment. But I had a fire burning within me, knowing that no matter what, I would make it. Okay, so step number 1 is have unwavering faith. Trust that your dreams are going to come true without setting rigid timelines. Doubt may start to creep in, but don't let it consume you. You don't have to believe 100% of the time to see it happen. Most of the time, manifestations come to pass when you least expect it. Step 2, get on the frequency of your desires. Think of it like tuning into a radio station. You can't listen to 107 FM by being tuned into 87 FM, right? Align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with what it is that you want to manifest. Your reality is a reflection of your inner state. Step number 3, fake it until you make it. Ta-da! So just embody the identity and mindset of your dream life, even before it becomes a reality. Be that successful YouTuber, CEO, world traveler. Your energy, your shifts, everything is going to fall into place like magic. Just trust me on this one. Step number 4, do not let the doubter stop you. Ever. Keep your dreams close to your heart and only share them with those who truly understand and support you. I don't tend to share them with anyone. Some dreams are just too big for people to comprehend. So stay focused and do not let any negativity hold you back. Okay, step number 5, surround yourself with success. If you can't find successful people in your immediate circle, don't worry about it. Immerse yourself in their knowledge and their experiences. Read books, listen to podcasts, absorb the wisdom. Your mirror neurons will work their magic and help you achieve your dreams. Finally, step number 6, tap into your feminine energy of receiving. Embrace your natural rhythms and work in alignment with them. Hustle culture is out. The flow is in. Trust that you can manifest your dreams effortlessly by harnessing your magnetic power. All right, my beautiful souls, those were the steps that changed my life, and they can change yours too. And that's a wrap on how I manifested my dream life. Now, if this video resonated with you, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more magical moments. Remember, you have the power to create the life of your dreams. Believe it, own it, trust it. Love you all. Happy manifesting.